Hello students, good morning. Welcome to online learning. Standard 10 Chemistry Lesson 2 Periodic Classification of Elements. Dear students, in the last class we have started this lesson and we have seen about the construction of periodic table and the proposals of periodic table by various scientists, and then modern periodic law, and finally the construction of modern periodic table. About all these things we have seen in the previous video, and now we are going to continue the same. We are going to learn about the features of periods in this video. Okay, dear students, first we have to see the periodic table. Already in the previous video I have shown you the picture. Again, let me show the picture of periodic table. This is the picture of periodic table given in your textbook. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Okay, dear students, now we are going to learn about what is called as period and what is called as group. Do you remember what is called as periods? Yes, it is given that the horizontal rows starting from left to right in a periodic table, that is called as period. So what is period? The horizontal rows starting from left to right. Then how many periods are there? That also we have studied already. There are 7 periods present in the periodic table. How many periods are there? There are 7 periods present in the periodic table. Then let us see what are called as groups. This also we know what are called as groups. Can you remember? Yes, the vertical arrangement of elements starting from top to bottom in a periodic table, that is called as group. What is group? The vertical arrangement of elements starting from top to bottom in a periodic table is called group. Do you know how many groups are there in the periodic table? Yes, there are 18 groups present in the periodic table. How many groups are there? There are 18 groups present in the periodic table. So dear students, this is the information we need to know about periods and group. What is called as period? The horizontal arrangement of elements starting from left to right is called as period. How many periods are there? There are 7 periods. Then what is called as group? The vertical arrangement of elements starting from top to bottom is called group. How many groups are there? There are 18 groups present in the periodic table. Okay, dear students, now what we are going to see is we are going to learn about each and every period starting from period number 1. About every period we are going to see now. What are the elements present and the atomic numbers starting from what to what, and everything we are going to see now. Okay, first period number 1. Dear students, this period contains only 2 elements. The first element is hydrogen, whereas the next one is helium. So these are the 2 elements present in period number 1. Okay, what are they? Hydrogen and helium. Then its nature. This period number 1, it is called as shortest period. Since it possesses only 2 elements, it is called as shortest period. Okay, so in the second point the reason is given why it is called as shortest period. It contains only 2 elements. What are those 2 elements? Hydrogen and helium. Okay, then the atomic numbers. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? It is 1. And what is the atomic number of helium? The atomic number of helium is 2. So the atomic numbers are 1 and 2 of the first period. Okay, then finally what we are going to see is the elements again given, hydrogen and helium. So what are the informations we have studied about period number 1? It is shortest period. It contain only 2 elements. The atomic numbers are 1 and 2, and the elements of this period is hydrogen and helium. Is it clear, students? Yes. Now let us see about the next period, that is period number 2. Okay, so here the elements, the first element of this period is lithium. What is the symbol of lithium? Li is the symbol of lithium, and this period ends with an inert gas, that is neon. So we can say the elements from lithium to neon. In between, beryllium is present, boron is present, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. This you can refer your periodic table and know. Okay, so what are the elements of period number 2? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Or shortly we can say the elements starting from lithium to neon. Then this period number 2 is called short period. It contains how many elements? It contains 8 elements. Okay, the number of elements of period number 2 is 8. First period we have seen it contains only 2 elements, whereas the second period contains how many elements? 8 elements. Okay, then next what we are going to see is the atomic numbers. The atomic numbers starting from 3 to 10. Lithium's atomic number is 3, whereas neon's atomic number is 10. Then again the elements are given. There are 10 elements starting from lithium to neon. Is it clear? Okay, period number 2 is completed. Then come to period number 3. Okay. Okay, the first element of this period number 3 is sodium, whereas it ends with the inert gas argon. So the elements from sodium to argon comprises period number 3. What is the starting element of third period? Sodium. And what is the ending element of period 3? It is argon. It is also a short period. It also contains how many elements? 8 elements. It is a short period which contains 8 elements, and the atomic numbers are from 11 to 18. 11, 12 is magnesium, 13 is aluminium, 14 is silicon and so on. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and finally argon. So it is a short period. It contains 8 elements and the atomic numbers starting from 11 to 18, whereas the elements are sodium to argon. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. So with this period number 3 is completed. Okay, then let us see period number 4. Okay, the first element of period number 4 is potassium. Its symbol is K and the ending element is krypton, an inert gas. Dear students, every period starting from an alkali metal and ending with an inert gas. So the elements from potassium to krypton makes period number 4. Okay, and it is a long period. It is what is the nature of period number 4? It is a long period, and the number of elements of period number 4 is 18. It contains how many elements? It contains 18 elements. And here the atomic numbers are starting from 19 to 36. 19 is the atomic number of potassium, whereas 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Okay, and the elements of this period number 4 are starting from potassium to krypton. Potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium and up to krypton. So what are the things we have studied from period number 4? It is a long period. It contains 18 elements. The atomic numbers are from 19 to 36 and the elements are from potassium to krypton. So with this period number 4 is completed. Let us move on to period number 5. Okay students, let us see about period number 5. Okay, the first element of period number 5 is rubidium. It is an alkali metal and this period ends with the inert gas xenon. The symbol of xenon is Xe. So this period starting from rubidium and ends with xenon. It is a long period. Okay, what is the nature of period number 5? It is a long period, and this period also contain 18 elements starting from rubidium to xenon. How many elements are present? There are 18 elements present in period number 5. And here the atomic numbers are 37 to 54. 37 is the atomic number of rubidium, whereas 54 is the atomic number of xenon. Okay, and the elements are given. Elements starting from rubidium to xenon makes period number 5. Okay, so what are the informations we have known about period number 5? It is a long period. It contains 18 elements. The atomic numbers are from 37 to 54, and the elements are from rubidium to xenon. Is it clear, students? Yes. Now let us move on to period number 6. Okay, the first element of period number 6 is cesium. It is an alkali metal. Its symbol is Cs, and atomic number is also given. It is 55. Okay, and the final element of this period number 6 is radon. Its symbol is Rn. Atomic number is 86. So the elements starting from cesium to radon makes 5th period. Okay, it is given. It is a longest period because maximum number of elements present in period number 6. What is the nature of 6th period? It is a longest period, and it contains how many elements? The number of elements present in period number 6 is 32. Starting from cesium to radon, there are 32 elements present in 6th period, and the atomic number is given. Atomic numbers starting from 55 to 86, and the elements are from cesium to radon. Okay, so what are the things we have known about period number 6? It is a longest period. It contains 32 elements. The atomic numbers are from 55 to 86, and the elements are from cesium to radon. Is it clear, students? Yes. Let us move on to period number 7. Okay, here also the first element of this period number 7 is francium. What is the symbol of francium? Fr is the symbol of francium. It is an alkali metal. As I told you already, every period starts from an alkali metal and ends with a noble gas. Okay, so the first element of period number 7 is francium, and the last element is a noble gas, that is oganesson. What is the symbol of oganesson? Og is the symbol of oganesson. Okay, so elements from francium to oganesson constitute 7th period. Okay, and it is also a longest period. Longest period means we know maximum number of elements will be present in this period, and the number of elements of 7th period is 32. How many elements present? There are 32 elements present in 7th period, and the atomic numbers are from 87 to 118. The atomic number of first element is 87, whereas the atomic number of last element is 118. So we can say the atomic numbers of period number 7 is starting from 87 to 118, and the elements are from francium to oganesson. Fr is francium, Og is oganesson. So what are the informations we have seen about 7th period? It is the longest period. It contains 32 elements. The atomic numbers are from 87 to 118, and the elements are from francium to oganesson. Okay, so all the 7 periods we have completed. Period number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 we have completed. Now let us see the summary of the features of periods. Okay, so in this table I have shown all the periods. First one, period number 1, atomic numbers 1 and 2, shortest period, hydrogen and helium. Those are the elements present. Okay, and this is period number 2. Here atomic numbers are from 3 to 10. It is a short period, and the elements are from lithium to neon. Period number 3, atomic numbers are from 11 to 18. It is a short period. Elements are from sodium to argon. Then period number 4, atomic numbers 19 to 36. Long period. Elements are from potassium to krypton. Then period number 5, atomic numbers 37 to 54, number of elements 18, it is a long period. The elements are from rubidium to xenon. Then period number 6, atomic numbers 55 to 86, number of elements present is 32. It is the longest period, and the elements will be from cesium to radon. Okay. Then finally, the period number 7, atomic numbers 87 to 118, number of elements 32. It is also a longest period, and the elements present here is francium to agnazone. Okay, Mama. Okay, so with this, about the periods we have seen. Okay, is it clear, students? Is there any doubts? I think there will be no doubt in this concept. Okay, Ma. Thank you. Go through the video and learn well.